Both appearing without an attorney, James and David VanderLeest argued against probable cause statements filed against them in connection to the death of a 2-year-old boy.
I did not leave with my child after this horrible accident happened to our family.
David VanderLeest might sound familiar, as he unsuccessfully ran for state senate and assembly in the early 2010s. Authorities say David initially claimed he was caring for the 2-year-old boy at his East Side Green Bay home on June 22nd. But Deputy District Attorney Wendy Lemkuil says authorities determined 21-year-old James was caring for the child. Lemkuil says James claimed the boy fell down the stairs, but medical experts and tests showed that wasn't the case.
Because it's alleged to be an acute incident that would have happened instantaneously, could only have happened at the hands of the person that would have had the child with them, and that is James VanderLeest.
Family of the boy tells Fox 11 James VanderLeest is the ex-boyfriend of the boy's mother. James has 7 open criminal cases against him, including 3 involving domestic abuse. Court records indicate one of them involves the boy's mother. James is charged with felony bail jumping for having contact with her.
James actually told her to say that his dad was the one who was there with the child at the time.
The boy was flown to Children's Hospital in Milwaukee, where he was pronounced dead 2 days after his injuries happened. After the death, the authorities say the VanderLeests took off to a relative's cabin in Florence County, where a SWAT team helped take them into custody last Friday.
My child was very suicidal. I went and found him to make sure I didn't find him hanging from a tree.
There was 20 to 25 minutes that David and James stayed in this house barricading themselves and wasn't coming out until they did a flash bomb. To indicate that it was anything other than obstructive is ridiculous.
A lot of this is lies.
Because of him being able to run for his life to a cabin in the woods with his dad, my nephew doesn't get to try to run on this earth again. And for that, you need to stay in those brick walls, James.
James was issued a $2 million cash bond. His father was issued one for $100,000. In Green Bay, Ben Krumholz, Fox 11 News.